Hello, little boy.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Jay.
Jay. Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Nice to
To
meet
meet you
you.
too.
Very good. Jay, how old are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8 years old. And how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. Okay. Now, please tell me, are you sleepy?
No.
Are you hungry?
No.
No? Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes, I am. Okay, now let's do some actions first, okay? Now, can you please point your ears? Ears. Very good. Pinch your nose. Pinch. Very good. Now, point to the sky. Very good. Point to your teacher. Very good. Rub your stomach. Very nice. Okay, now, first of all, please tell me what's your favorite color? What color do you like?
I like black and blue.
You like black and blue. Very nice. And what animals do you like?
I like alligator and kangaroo and lion
And lions
and tiger.
and tigers too. Okay, very good. Now, first of all, tell me what animals do you see at the zoo?
I see kangaroo, zebra, or alligator, snake, hippopotamus, rabbit, turtle, elephant, giraffe, lion, tiger.
And where do you see them?
At
At
the zoo.
at the zoo. Very nice. Okay, now let's move on. And do you know days of the week? Hmm?
Yes.
Very, very good. Can you please name them one by one? I will show you some cards and you tell
Yes.
me. Okay?
Monday,
Good job. Very
Tuesday,
good.
Wednesday,
Oh, Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday, Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, weekend,
very good. Okay. Do you know what day is it today? What day is it today? Today is
weekend,
no. Today is mm, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday.
Thursday. Today is Thursday. Very nice. Okay. Now here we have a song. Can you please sing the Weekends Are Cool song, please?
Yes.
Go.
One day, 2 day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and another day, I'm going to school. Then comes Saturday and Sunday. I'm with my family. Then this school.
Very good. Now let's sing it once more, and I will sing, and you listen to me carefully, okay?
Yes.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, on all those days I go to school. Then comes Saturday and Sunday. I'm with my family, and that is cool. Okay? Good job. Okay, now here, can you please tell me what day comes after Monday? What day comes after Monday?
Sunday,
After Monday, Monday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday comes after Monday. Okay, very good. Now here, I have some cards for you to say. Okay, you look at me and concentrate here.
Milk.
Very good. Do you like to drink milk?
Yes.
Okay. When do you drink milk? In the morning or at night? In
Morning.
the morning. Very good.
Ice cream.
Good job.
Bread.
What is it? Butter.
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 Butter. Cheese.
Good.
Scratch. Heat.
Fight.
fight,
Fight.
fight, hit,
P.
pitch,
Good.
kick,
Good job.
hinge, hit,
Good.
hurt, noodles,
Noodles.
ham,
Good.
shoes, hot dog,
Hot dog.
salad, pancake, hamburger, popcorn, milk.
Very good. Okay, now here we have some phonograms or letters, and you look at them and tell me what letter is this and how many sounds this letter makes. Okay? You ready? Go.
Letter P make one sound P,
P.
P,
P.
P. Letter E
R.
I make three sound A, 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 A,
A.
I, E.
A.
A,
I.
I, E.
Good job. And this one?
Letter G,
J.
J. Make one sound J.
J. J. And your name is J, and your name starts with letter J.
J.
J. J. Very good. Now here we have a letter J and sounds. Okay. Now we'll point. I point, and you say the sound and read the word. Okay. J.
J, tram, J, pajamas,
Mm.
Z, pajamas, J, jump.
Very nice. Okay. Now here we have a poem for you to read. Okay. Now first of all, tell me the title.
Jam,
Jam. Good job.
jam on my pancake, jam on my bread, jam in my donut, but not on my hand.
Very nice. Now here you have the pointer. You point the sound. I see the sound and you point and say the word, okay? Now can you please point B sound? B.
Bread,
Very good. B. Bread. Point D sound.
J, jam,
D.
D.
D. D.
D,
Yeah, what is it? D. Do. Donut.
donut,
D. Donut. Can you point P sound?
P,
P. Letter P.
pancake,
Very good. What about J sound? J.
jam,
Very nice. Okay. Now, do you know what is this?
period,
Period. Very nice. Okay. Now here, can you please tell me when you bump into someone, burp or sneeze or cough, then what do you say?
I'm okay.
When you bump into someone, what do you say?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Very good. And when you cough or sneeze, what do you say?
Good.
When you cough achoo, or sneeze, what do you say? Excuse me, please. Okay. All right. What are the nice things to say?
Excuse me, please.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Thank you. What are the nice things to say? Excuse
Excuse
me.
me.
I'm
I'm
sorry.
sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Very good. Okay. Now, can you please tell me what do you want for your snack?
Mm,
Yes.
milk.
I
Tea.
want some milk
Milk
for
snack.
my snack. Okay. Now, how do you say your mother for a snack? Mother.
Mother.
How do you say your mother for a snack? Please
Please
give
give
me
me milk
for.
for my snack.
Very good. Now let's say together. Mother, please give me snack for my snack time. Please give me milk For my
snack.
snack. Very good. Once more. How do you say?
Mother,
Mother, please give me
give
milk
me milk for my snack.
for my snack. Very good. Okay, now here we have a big book. And can you please tell me what's the title?
6.
6. Okay, I point and you read. Okay, there we go.
I see 6 lions sleeping in the sun.
Good job.
I see 6 zebras starting to run.
Good.
I see 6 little baby kangaroos.
Good.
I see that are at the zoo.
Very nice. Okay, now please tell me what are the lions doing here?
Sleeping in the sun.
Very good. And where do you see baby kangaroos?
Uh,
Where do you see baby kangaroos? I see them at
the zoo.
at the zoo. Very good. I see them at the zoo. Now here we have a story for you to read, okay? Now here is the pointer for you. You point, track the words, and read the story. Go.
Tram, tram. Tram, tram on my pancake. I like tram on my pancake.
Is it pancake? Or this is bread?
Bread.
See, jam,
Jam,
jam
jam
on my bread. Bread.
I like jam on my bread. Ham, ham on my pizza. I like ham on my pizza. Eggs, eggs with my rice. I like egg with my
Rice.
rice.
Noodles.
Noodle in my soup. I like noodle in my soup.
I like noodles.
Noodles. She
Cheese.
in my sandwich. I like she in my sandwich. Milk with my cookies. I like milk with my cookies. Ham.
Meat.
Meat in my spaghetti. I like meat in my spaghetti. Butter on my popcorn. I like butter on my popcorn. Chicken with my salad. I like chicken with my salad. Candy on my ice cream. I like candy on my ice cream. Cake on my birthday. I like cake on my birthday.
Cake for my
birthday.
birthday. I like cake
For my birthday.
birthday. Very good. Now, can you please tell me what do you like in your spaghetti? What do you like in your spaghetti?
Meat.
I like meat. Say, I like
meat
in
my spaghetti.
Very good. Okay, we have one last song for you to sing. Okay, can you please sing? Big turkey. I'm
A big turkey. Eat and eat. I ran so fast. I can't see your feet. They run, whoa. Then I jump, whoa, go. I'm a big turkey. I'm eat and eat.
Very good. Okay, now you have made many mistakes here. I'm a big turkey. I eat and eat. I am So
So
fat.
fat.
I
I
can't
can't see your feet.
see my feet.
My feet.
I can't see my
My
feet.
feet.
When I
No,
run, I wobble,
Whoa, whoa,
wobble, wobble. When I talk, I
Gobble,
gobble, gobble,
gobble,
gobble.
gobble.
I'm
I'm
a
a
big,
big,
big
big
turkey.
turkey. Eat and eat.
Not I'm. I eat and eat. Okay, is turkey big or little?
Big,
Yes, turkey is big. Is turkey fat or thin?
fat,
Very good. Turkey is
fat.
Can turkey see its feet?
No,
Why not?
so fat.
Because turkey is so fat. Can you see your feet?
Yes,
Yes, I can. Yes, I say yes,
yes,
I
I can.
can. Are you big or little?
Lecture.
I'm little. Very good. Okay, Jack. Give me 5. You have done a good job here for today's speaking test. And our speaking time is over. We are going to say goodbye, parents, and goodbye, everyone. See you again. Say,
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, anyone.
see you again.